welcome to my channel Technology. So today I'm gonna tell you how to earn money by writing articles like copy and paste without any work, like that only. So watch this video till end and subscribe to my channel please. I have only less than 2 subscribers in last 5 days, so please subscribe to my channel. I will make live videos and like this video and share it with your friends. So let's get into the video. So what first we are gonna to do, that you have to go in first website called first website called clearvoice.com. Okay, you have to just go in that website. I'm gonna tell you what's the website about, so you can also read, but I'm gonna tell you in short form. So this website is about where we can write just today's video, so I'm gonna tell you write articles and earn money by simply less than 5 minutes. Okay, less than 5 minutes. So you gonna go here, we can write articles, but where is there anything where we can get money? No. So where you have to go is here and section called talent network, and here we can write more than 50 plus 50 more than 50 categories, role, content type, anything you want, designer, like that. If you want, you can also earn this case also and earn money without any work. So what you have to do first, here click on your click on your join the talent network, and after clicking that you will redirect to this page. So what you're gonna do is just sign up and create a free account. You're gonna pay your first name, last name, email address, and some more details if they ask. Okay, so I have already an account. I will make you my login page. So guys, I've redirected to my login page, means my this page, CV page, and this is my name. Okay, so what's after your login, or means your sign up, you will also redirect to the this page. So what we gonna do is just write some articles, post here. See, I have posted an article. Okay, an article, and being earning money like that. Okay, so what you gonna do is you have to first write an article, but how Harshita said that not write articles and without any work. So how to do that in 5 minutes I'm gonna tell. So first you're gonna go to news on Google News. Okay, simply on your Google News or any, but I'm gonna go to Google News. So this is Google News. So what you're gonna do is there are more than very content like world, your local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health. You can select anything you want. Okay, you have to just write articles, not any type. You can select here when you write your content. Okay, so you're gonna select, I just select no, I just select business is the best. They're gonna give me more than $50, I think now. So okay, this is about business. It's easy, but we gonna not get a copyright strike about here. We could get it's obviously. So to change, I'm gonna tell you one website where you can change, but follow my video and just go and just see and make money. So what you're gonna do, I'm just select personal finance. Okay, like finance, like that. Okay, so I will choose, no, this is boring, jobs, no, marketings, no, economy. You can select anything you want. I will just select like that. Inside Twitter, no, this. Okay, yeah, this, I select this, and this will be redirected to any page like this. It's easy. Oh, this is not okay. I understand. You were gonna wait. I will just select and say to you, yes, here I am redirected to this page. like this, any business, anything you want to say. Okay, so there is a web article about WhatsApp. WhatsApp says this, that. You wanna see about that? So you're gonna see an WhatsApp articles here. There are wow, what an article! What an article! It's amazing. They're gonna pay you more than $1,000. I think so. It's very nice. Wow, it's very big, and you're gonna pay there. I think so. So what we gonna do is just wait. We're gonna do here. Come here on the starting page, and we're gonna copy it. Okay, copy it, not to paste in that website. So we're gonna give this. Oh, we're gonna copy it. Okay, copy, and we are going to go to a website called Spinbot. Spinbot. Okay, spinbot.com. You have to just go in this website called spinbot.com. It's very easy. This is a website where we can rewrite or article spinning, text rewriting, or content creation tool. This website can change all the sentences in sentences or any article into very nice article that they cannot guess which article is this. Okay, so what we're gonna do, this is reloading. It's me taking 1 minute to 10 minutes. So we're gonna write our article. Okay, so we're gonna paste it. Okay, we have pasted. It's gonna take wait, yeah. So this come, we have to more. I think I can paste more. They're gonna pay me more. Okay, it can be. So we're gonna paste this also. No, this. We're gonna, because more article lines, the more money we will earn. Okay, we're gonna go like this and paste it. Okay, paste it. It's very easy. So it's there. Use it preferred. So word, yeah, see this. The more you copy, the more money. Okay, you wanna earn money like me. I'm very rich, not like that, but you can also earn money. Yeah, like that. Oh, yeah, there. Here we will copy. Is there more? Yeah, is there? There is. Yeah. So we will go here, copy and paste. Yeah, we can more also. Has done. Okay, has done. That's probably a lot of people said. Yeah, this can also be. I think so. We have taken more, so we're gonna take till here. So I'm sorry for this boring part, but it's sorry. I say sorry. Okay. So we're gonna paste. It's all over now. It's more than yeah. Okay. So what we're gonna do is just paste it in a nice article and just do I'm not a robot and just wait. It's gonna be done. And after that we have to press on this go button. And sorry guys for the boring, but subscribe to my channel. Okay, I have only 2 subscribers. Okay, let it be. So when this is your rewritten article, see text, and this is in a nice article. It's not you want. You can see there is no anything. You can see there is now means it's not same. See, it's not same. It's very another. It's very nice. They're gonna be not like they're gonna not take like copyright strike. Okay, you can understand. So after that we're gonna copy this text. Yeah. Oh, wait. Is there more? No. I'm gonna copy this. Oh, wait. It's very hard. Yeah, I'm gonna copy. Oh, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so we were gonna copy it and just go in document.google.com. Yeah, this documents, we're gonna save this. Okay, this is document, your fresh document. So we're gonna open a blank document. It's very easy. And I am thinking, guys, I'm thinking that I should make a video, next video. This video is part 2. If you subscribe and like to my channel, like this video and subscribe to my channel, okay? That's better if you do, and I can make this part 2 also. I have money making 2 websites, which I will do in this video, only one. Then I can tell you I can make part 2. If you want, I can also make part 3. So don't worry. So after going to this document, you have to just paste your all article. Yeah, after that, what you're gonna do, give a title, because it's very proper. If you give a nice title, the more money you can earn also. So we're gonna copy this, don't worry, we're gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna just paste it. Okay, oh yeah, signal. Okay, it's good. So it's good. Now this is your article. So what we're gonna do is just download in a Microsoft Word, PDF, or PDF documents. Yeah, it's better to download in PDF document. It's gonna download here. Yeah, wait a little. It's gonna download here. See, it says downloading. After that, what you're gonna do is go to back to clearwise.com, and after that you have to just click on add content. After that, add content. After that, you're gonna just click on here and paste in here like that. So we can paste this also, but we can an URL also, or any file also. So what we're gonna do is upload and file. You're gonna not see, I think so. Yeah, we're gonna upload and file. Our file name is WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp. No, it's custom folder. Wait guys, just a minute. Wait, just 1 minute. Wait guys, yeah, it's gonna take, I think, more time. Wait, it's WhatsApp says it's hard to do. Can we try like this also? We can try this pasting your URL also, or more than that. Yeah, we can see it also. Add. Yeah, it's added. Yeah, it's good. It's good, more than very good. Yeah. Okay. This is your article published on Google Documents. It's not, or you want one Google. This is the title, so we have to change this title in this WhatsApp, because it's very properly you want to do. You can just paste that URL. It's easy to do that. Sorry guys for the interruption. I'm new to YouTube channel, so please oblige me. Your date you will keep, it's better. Okay, so category you wanna do is like what we called business. Okay, business, small business. You can change that also. It's not 5 minutes. Primary role, you have to just copywriter and copywriter. Content type, just article. Publish content is no. And that's finished. You can write in any description. I just say this. I can write. If you want, you can also not write. This article is about WhatsApp business. Okay, oh no, a business. Okay, it's not small business Canada. So business, it's very easy to write. If you want to not write, it's any not problem. You not, this is like small, and just just do this. Yeah, then update. Just update it and this content will save. And you're gonna see here the percent, your percent, how much you write. This percent is about, if your percent go to 100%, you can earn money by writing articles. Okay, per article you're gonna pay it in a week or a month. You're gonna pay how much your article writes. Say this is my article. See, this is, it's bad or not good and not bad. Okay, so when it go to 100%, you're gonna earn money. So guys, I am at 35, you're gonna be at 15, and it will increase like that till 100. You're gonna do is like make money. So thank you guys for watching my video. It's, yeah, that's about our video. You can do just in 5 minutes, but my video is long. I know. So don't worry, if you want, I can make part 2 also. I also think that, yeah, it's good. And if you want to download any Instagram photo in your computer, there is a link in the description box, or you can search on your search bar on my videos content and just see. And I gonna make part 2 also if you want, if I want or you want. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Just like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. I have only 2 subscribers. So thank you guys. Let's see you in next video. Till then, bye.